What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am back in Dollar Tree to share with you some new items for the week. Looks like they're starting to get some Mother's Day items in. Go ask your dad, mom's drinking coffee. You are the best. Super mom and mom. My store still has these little trinket trays and pineapples. We have lots of picture frames. Ooh, this is brand new for the week. The Max White Colgate. Oh, and the little Colgate 2-packs are new. Reach, Colgate, Travel Voyage. This folds down. Ooh, and then the 3-pack of Colgates. Sometimes we don't see 3-packs in here. Sometimes we just see single packs. And the Fresh and White Crest. That's also new. And the little tiny Colgate Sensitives. Let's see if we have any new makeup. Ooh, some new e.l.f. Aqua Beauty Molten Liquid Eyeshadow. That is definitely new. The LA Colors Brow Pencil and Highlighter with Sharpener. Eye Magic. Oh, this is my first time seeing these. These are the instant eyeshadows. Shade Boss by Sinful. These are 2 packs of eyeshadow. Last week my store had these, but they didn't have these. Looks like we have some other colors too. That one is so pretty. Purple and sort of the coral. Some nail graffiti stencils and stickers. They have lots of the Pout Play still. These are all like lip glosses. I left my coupons in the car, you guys, but the $1 off 2 will work for these because there's 14 drops in a bag. And then there was also a coupon that came out for the Airborne. And again, I left my coupons in the car, but the $1 off, I believe, would make these totally free if you guys have that Airborne coupon. Aww, they added the Care Bear Band-Aids. Oh, these are so cute. I think I want them. And they added the Peanuts Band-Aids. I love the Care Bear Band-Aids. They are so cute. Yes, I need those. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's a perfect day. The Infinity Scarves. The little pacifier cases. I think these are new. Oh wow, there's a lot of new socks this week. The kitties are new, the pandas are new, the llamas, the food. Cactus? Are these cactus? Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at the cactus. These are so cute. I really love the cactus on top of the gray. That is so cute. It's so quiet in here today, you guys. It seems like they keep adding more and more scoonsy items too. Look at these. The scoonsy clips. The baby ones. These ones. The banana comb. Some even bigger ones. Hair color matching snap clips for blonde hair. These are pretty. These are the Remington elastics. Oh, that's so cute. So delicate. Ooh. This is really heavy too. Life is my favorite adventure. Welcome, family and friends. Be still and know that I am God. Welcome, mermaids. This is my first time finding these. The little cactus trinket trays. They also have the mermaid and the llama. What are these? Paper clips in a coffee cup. They have purple and pink and yellow. This is so cute. They have a donut tape dispenser. They also have it in blue and in purple. Lots and lots of puzzles over here. Lots of puzzles. All of these are puzzles. And the little puzzle bags. Oh, Gator wanted one of these for his birthday. He saw mine and he was like, Mama, I want one for my birthday. So I have to try to find the display of these. You are the best. I want to see if I can find the display of these. I'm thinking maybe it's going to be on the next aisle. Oh, they added some little wine glasses for Mother's Day. Love begins with Mom. My store still has a lot of the Lego compatible blocks. These truly are compatible. Gator loves them. I'm not seeing the lock stars anywhere though. Just the one I grabbed. If you can find one, then there's usually more hiding somewhere. Sometimes they stash a lot of their name brand toys over here. but I'm really not finding that much over here. Oh, they still have these. I got some of these for my niece. I think they're so cute. Well, I guess we can just head down to the snacks. Oh, but I always have to do my detour over here. Just a quick detour. My store is super stocked up. They still have these, but they've also added the wild basil and lime. I think I need to smell that. It smells pretty good. Very, very much like basil. And then they have the jasmine and mint, and the peony and plum, hibiscus and pink clay. It just kind of smells soapish. Doesn't really smell strong. Oh, this is new. The soft soap hand wash plus lotion. Wow, they always have so many cleaners in here, and once again, you guys, my nose is super itchy after smelling that soap. I heard there's a new Breezy out, but I haven't seen it yet in my store. I think it's like lotus flower. Okay, I just wanted to see if they had any name brand cereals this week, and right away, I'm finding the limited edition Reese Puff Hearts. And they have some malto meal cereals this week, and little bags of name brand cereals, but nothing like we saw last week. Yeah, you guys, I think I'm out of here. I think I saw everything I wanted to see. I might get an Italian dressing, and then I'm off to film more for you guys. I'm off to Five Below. I'm actually off to Walgreens, and then I'm off to Five Below to film some new videos for you guys, because they should have a whole new display in the front of the store in the new and now section. So if you guys like my Five Below videos, hit that notification bell and look out for my next video, because there should be a lot of new products to share. But all right, you guys, again, that was it for me here in Dollar Tree. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button, share with me down in the comments below, and if you haven't yet, hit that little button subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.